Hello there. For today, let's talk about priming your clients or yourself for a productive day in the morning without any elaborate morning rituals or morning routines. Hi, I'm Shika, and I have helped more than 1,200 coaches and business owners with their content marketing. So if you are running out of ideas of what to send them today or what reels to create today, you can listen to this episode for some inspiration. In today's episode, we'll be talking about 3 reflection questions your clients can ask themselves in the morning to start their days on the right foot without any complex morning routines or rituals. So you can encourage them to write down their answers to these questions because writing down psychologically allows them to treat this activity with some commitment and some seriousness. And that is how we process things as human beings. So let's encourage them to write their answers down. And the first morning reflection question is, what emotions are running through me right now? What emotions are running through me right now? This question helps them to be present in the moment. And when we wake up in the morning, we usually feel a little bit unfocused. So a question like this will force them to go inwards, to look inwards and get in touch with themselves first thing in the morning. So when they do this, they have to be present with the sensations in their body and focus their attention to what's within instead of getting distracted by external things like their phones or their laptops or anything external like that. Being present also feels good, and we can all attest to that. It's just that when we lead very busy, very hectic lives, we don't have the space to be present in the moment. So let's start the morning by making this a habit. The second question they can ask is, what are 3 things or people that I am grateful for today? This question puts us in a good emotional state or in a very high vibration if we are using metaphysical terms. So if your clients are present enough, they will be grateful for different things every day. For example, for today, they can say, I am grateful that I woke up feeling refreshed. Or for today, I'm grateful that the sun is out. Something really basic and down to earth like that. And gratitude and abundance actually have the same frequency. So when they are grateful for something, they also feel abundant and it opens them up to accepting more abundance and wealth in many forms for the day. By the way, they can write down more than 3 things. I mean, the more things they are grateful for that day, the better it is. It will rewire their minds to focus on the positive instead of scanning for the negative. Our minds are trained or wired to look for danger and negative aspects around us every day to keep us safe. When your clients do this gratitude exercise, they train their brains to look for the positive instead of always focusing on the negative. That is the point of this exercise, and also to put them in a high frequency state in the morning. And it also reminds us that our circumstances are probably not that bad after all, no matter what they are. And it is also very good for our mental and emotional well being. All right. So, by the way, if you are someone who does not want to create a positive mindset coaching tool from scratch, you can let me help you. You can click on the link in my description box to download a free mini coaching activity, which gives your clients a quick mindset transformation from negative to positive. This exercise has 3 questions and it allows your clients to practice reframing their mindset. So again, make sure you click the link in my description box to download it. And now let's move on to the third morning reflection question to prime them for a productive and successful day. The third question that they can ask themselves is, what are the 3 things I want to accomplish today? This is a very powerful question because our days rush by very, very quickly when we lead very busy lives. And the answer to this question can act as a compass for their day. As long as these three goals are somehow met, their days are basically a successful one, however they define success. If we go about our days without writing down the three things or three or five things that we want to accomplish each day, our days can just sweep by in a blur and become almost meaningless. So the three things or the five things that they want to accomplish for that day can be as basic as I want to rest my mind 100% today and not think about my work or my business. Or I want to be present for my children today. Or I want to have fun today. Or I want to be devoted 100% to my self care today. It can be as down to earth as that. If your clients want to go one step further and if they want to achieve a big goal on a particular day, that is also great. But for this question, we do not just focus on big life-changing goals. Something basic, something down to earth, something simple is also fine. And now that you know the three powerful morning reflection questions to prime your clients for a successful day, the next step is to give them some coaching materials to help them create a morning routine which lets them be the best version of themselves every day. By the way, I have a done for you successful morning routine workshop. You can conduct this workshop immediately and sell the replays on your website. You can watch a video walkthrough of it. I will leave the link in my description box. I have written the slides for you. I have written the workbook for you and the script as well. You literally need to just switch on Zoom, read the script, click the slides, and just record the whole presentation. So instead of creating a workshop from scratch, which can take you weeks or months or even takes up so much of your energy and research, you can just get done for you one, which I create using my counseling experience and my research. So I have done the hard work for you, and it helps you to save so much time, so much energy, and also helps you to make money. And thanks for being here with me today. And I see you in my next podcast episode.